So if you have to build our nation, some of this is empebuda. They be able to was him because and rather, Minister John Jinapor on this same Dumsor issue, this same Dumsor issue. Se video that I read Momo, I read here, Mekwaba. He said that or making statement on this same on why they don't have screen analysis on a Dumsor. Now let's
before the war. When we were here, we would do dance 1 hour. We could do tema 1 hour. We could do Kumasi. Pick time no. To do 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour. 12 no. On to we do
Dumsor politics.
You know, because of doom see. One more see and doom.
Oh, I feel Matthias.
You no come near no. Dumsor by this year. Now, only the technology be a banner. And before the war, when we were here, we would do dance 1 hour. We could do tema 1 hour. We could do Kumasi. Pick time no. To do 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 hour. 12 no. On to we do
Dumsor politics.
You know, because of doom see. One more see and doom.
Oh, I feel Matthias.
You no come near no. Dumsor by this year. Now, only the technology be a banner. And before the war, when we were here, we would do dance 1 hour.
So you see, as a manipanya GDU. And nipa no se ni gidie ne kate shorter na or refer the na no mo kan ye ma ni gina so to abama wa uso de omuna ya wati koku mayen kan wasem e de rubbish ne ko so kromai se na de bibi ko so wontimi nka because so ko kan better go. What kind of rubbish is this? Enreya Honorable John Jinapor jina ho ama yegyina ye boda basoka oh Honorable John Jinapor dia was aban ba mama pa was so minister for energy papa no wa bin cheche dum suesie mu ame on sem pipi for so omu siesie no omu dum na no de sie yen, and people massively voted. Say we want a change, we want stability when it comes to SOMPA. Yempesi better sumu, and the best man to do the best job John Jinapor Monsemano and John Domani Mahama anyana bro or the Jumedi mano. And I must say my encansecania ni dunduma. Media is a mamming. So be ne sabotage. So one who so be sabotage, do what is right. But so pam nipa the nipa tena no mu wiena still kanya ne da so dunduma. Then what do you want me to say? Because so shall say a transformers. Ana only His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kwane nam transform ka transform enye ne ya ka transformer ba ke the president kwane nam transform man ko inspect wa bra minister for energy wo ko mu de ne ko ye mu de olman ko ye we gina mobile ya fe kra de mobile ka chen se enkofo bi na sabotage aban. So kofo no sabotage no way. Bring them to books. Anu tima ba besesa ma o ye reshuffle mugu so ma ye bi wo ha ECG no mo mu nyusu ECG o mu yusu netco VR no pe me question o mu so e. There is a problem. I was yenya ye solve. Yenya say ye ya manyosem and people want to score cheap political this and am so munye truthful nti ebema people will say whatever they want to say. What exactly is happening? Because of course on board minti na hanka say ta wax na mega wax na Ephraim no it's not a contributor. It is a contributor, but na kania ni dum asana koso mbohoshi sa substation ishi na kania ni dunduma ansa. So what actually is the problem? Mon kan kire yen mon kan problem nin kire yen because ya be a trademark senka kania ni dundum ana asem we see ya, then we can contribute it to say and the main contributor. But me den say Dumsor ne shase we share that be. We have been experiencing it for quite some time now. So what exactly is the problem? Is it the sabotage you are talking about, which mean non-fa? Is it the sabotage? Is it the Akosombo substation? Oh my goodness! Is it the transformers? Amoma ye believe say transformers in a obsolete transformers in a whole diaba from Timobes and Timbedundum. Is that what you are saying? I no crown said your book chile some bayano. Yes, and ye who can tell us the truth. What exactly is happening? We are Ghanaians. That is our nation. We will understand. But sir, flimsy excuses now more money there. It doesn't make sense. To be honest with you, it doesn't make sense. What in Kanye dear? Senipa kwa da seni beka so betena se. Nipa da seni so betena se dum Kanye. Se o sabotage aban bia. Then what's the wisdom in this? And then nipa krono so. Hey, where ye at is a treason on and ameboa. So be better na say because NDC are buying a wasunti. Ye nunu kania na yen hye substations na yen fan share NDC are buying. Hey, any nipa kron so de. Any aketua beba nso anu adien. Mekai chabo SOMPA ye bi oboma politicians. Any emubuo ya de ni enka ebimra so pa because who in his right state of mind say kanya ye nyina ye enjoy that person who intentionally go say or kwa sabotage aban because of kanya. I'm not saying say ni pebi ntimi nje. There are cartels in every institutions. Cartel bi o hodma aban bi ba ombe so ombe sabotage de bi o hosa, but I'm doubting this. Because the entire maker chose, I'm doubting this. And they say, you hear immediate findings. Now, I report on the findings of Akosombo substation. The reason I'm doubting is say, before Akosombo Obesheno, substation Obesheno, na kania Dumsor, na ye wom. Na ye wom. And mrebe no mu se nkofo sabotage yaban through ECG. Okay. ECG ha ne abere shafo because sabotage koso. Odu northern region ne no afom ho a eye nkofo bia ho e from VR net kufo net kufo ne ho. Omo so kanya ye dum no ho no. Omo so sabotage da bia. If ECG for sabotage aban enti ye hu ne say ye sankra nwamam ye yibia free ho in Ashanti region. Omo nye ECG form ye VR netco more other areas no. Omo so sabotage ni bia na because omo nyina so dasu. Excellency John Dramani Bekache say, or any minister Bekache say, currently the transformers ni be on my obsolete. Baby also almost sano. Emma president ni minister for energy. Ekwane namhwe transformer. I was like transformers is a free president man be. Transformer. This is a free president man be transformer. Yankashi. President didn't go through. Pese Ghana phone, F media for the actually show my own say transformers for fraba. We have to replace the old transformers and holding above form. That is fine. Because if you who use no holding form. So say if engineers no in their wisdom are calling for say there should be replacement. We have no qualms with it. I said there will be timetable now, there will be proper arrangement. You better do baby that why you do area near fix transformers. I had done a dear and your transformers beam. Then mom ya say, can you understand? Do doom ye before transformers issues neighbor. Transformers issues we buy and as soon doom and then you the kwako sumbo. What is all this? I'm not saying the megawatts. Substation no contribute no. I'm not saying that it will not have effect on us. It will have effect on every Ghanaian. It will have effect effect also. But why are we doing this? Say it's a sabotage. That is why I want to get it clear. But I don't pay my